Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy E82. Today I'm going to show you how to change the rollers on your HP laser printer, the P40. As you can see, the lights is blinking. I mean, it's not able to pick up the papers, and there's also a paper jam in it. It's causing paper jams. So, step one, just pull out the tray. Gonna go in a little closer so you can see those two rollers. Yeah, one end has like a blue and the other one is a white one. Yeah, we're gonna remove those rollers and replace it with a new one. So easily to remove it, easily squeeze on the clip on the tip of the roller and that will release it. Squeeze it and you can pull it out. See, right on that very tip. Same thing as the white one on the very tip. That one doesn't, the tip is not sticking out, so you could still put your fingers in and squeeze and release and pull. See, they're a little white. Yeah, that's the one that you're gonna push. Apply pressure on it to release and pull. Next, also we're gonna replace the rollers on the paper tray itself as well. It's the same instructions, same steps that you're gonna do. Pull on the tip and you slide it out. As you can see, there's the two rollers. It comes two blue ones and a white one. So it doesn't matter which size that you use for the tray. They're both the same sizes. So you could just take it. Make sure the long pointing part of it is the one that stays on the outside and the short end goes inside. And you slide it in and it clicks and that's it. Yes. And you're done with the installation for the rollers for the tray. Then we're now going to do the same for the printer itself. The blue one goes on the first line, which is that you're going to push it in, and when you put it in, it's going to click. S- Sometimes it may not click, but it locks in, and that's it. That's how you install the roller and replace the roller with a new one, and you could discard the old one. Then turn everything back on again, and you're going to see it start working, and no more red lines. Mission accomplished. Please like and subscribe.